name is Nadya Carissa, and I will explain about Chapter 7, which is Electronic Commerce and Application and Issues. So, I will tell you about definition and concept. Electronic commerce or e-commerce is the process of selling, buying, transferring, and exchange product or services, products, and information via computer network, which is known as internet. While e-business is the concept of servicing consumer, collaborating with business partner, and performing electronic transaction with the organization. Traditional commerce focus on physical, while e-commerce, all the transaction is in digital. Type of e-commerce. First is business to consumer, which is B2C. In B2C, sellers are organization and buyers is individual. Business to business. In business to business transaction, both sellers and buyer are organization, and this type is the most common in e-commerce. Third, customer to customer. Is happen when the transaction is between consumer itself, which is selling and buying. For example, is the auction in the internet. Business to employee. This organization uses EC internally to provide information and services to its employee. For example, the companies that allows the workers to access the data inside the companies. Fifth, e-government. Government use EC to provide information to citizens, business, and suppliers. So the transaction become transparent. Sixth, mobile commerce. Mobile commerce or m-commerce is a commerce conducted in a wireless environment, such as smartphone that in Wi-Fi, and then laptop in Wi-Fi environment. Business to consumer or B2C. Type of business to consumer, which is electronic store for storefront and mall. Example in Indonesia is Tokopedia. Second, online service industry such as Gojek, Grab, cyber banking that we know as M-banking like BCA M-banking, Danamon M-banking, online job market such as LinkedIn or student job ID, travel services like Indonesia Traveloka and online ads. While business to business is sell-side marketplace, buy-side marketplace, and electronic exchange. Electronic payments. Electronic payment is the payment that used for e-commerce, such as electronic checks, electronic credit card, purchasing cards, electronic cash, smart card, person-to-person payments.
Hi, my name is Clarisca Lawrencia, and today I'm going to talk about Chapter 9 Summary, Web 2.0 and Social Networks. Firstly, I'm going to talk about the differences of Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. Unlike Web 1.0, Web 2.0 enriches the web experience for users. Since Web 1.0 is the first generation of the web, users have minimal level of interaction with Web 1.0 sites. Moreover, they provide information passively to the users. Web 2.0 enriches user experience by encouraging the user to participate in the web by social interaction and collaboration. An example of Web 2.0 are wikis, where the site often harnesses collective intelligence. Ajax is a web technique that helps the site to reload their web partially. This process speeds up the response time, hence increasing the user satisfaction. Tag is a keyword or a term. It is important when a user uses a search engine to find a particular information. Really simple indication. RSS is used by the user to receive a specific information when they want it, and whenever they want it. Next, I will talk about Web 2.0 applications. A web blog or a blog is a personal website that is open to public. The owner of the blog normally writes stories that expresses their opinions. A wiki is a site where anyone can post and edit a material. It encourages collaboration and collective intelligence for all internet users. This allows organizations to collaborate with their suppliers and clients. Netcasting distributes digital media, such as videos and audio files in the form of video casting and podcasting. They are distributed by using syndication feeds for the playback. They can be played back by using digital media players and personal computers. Printing on demand is a customized printing in small batches. Crowdsourcing is the process of taking a job of an employee or a consultant. However, the result is outsourced to a group of undefined people. Next, I'm going to talk about the three categories of the Web 2.0 sites. Social networking sites allows the users to upload content to the web in the form of text, images, videos, and audios. Social networking sites are used by organizations to improve their relationship with the customers. Aggregators are sites that gives collections of content from the web.
Hi, my name is Jason Antonio. Today I'm going to explain you about the chapter 13 about acquiring information systems and applications. So today I will explain you about chapter 13 about acquiring information systems and applications. So firstly, organizations must analyze the need of applications, justifying each purchase in terms of cost and benefits. Smaller organizations employ less formal process on or non-process at all. Even though a small organization may not have a formal process for planning and justifying IT applications, the formal process exists for a reason and it has value. When a company examines its needs and performance, it generates a prioritized list of both existing and potential IT applications, called the application portfolio. These are the applications that have to be added or modified if they already exist. Moving on, IT planning. IT planning is a process for new IT applications begins with analyzing the organizational strategic plan. The organization's strategic plan identifies the firm's overall mission, the goals that follow from that mission, and the board steps required to reach these goals. The strategic planning process modifies the organization's objectives and resources to match its changing markets and opportunities. The IT architecture delineates how an organization should use its information resources to accomplish its mission. This encompasses both the technical and the managerial aspects from information resources. The technical aspects include hardware and operating systems, networking, data management systems, and applications software. The managerial aspects specify how the IT department will be managed, how the functional area managers will be involved, and how IT decisions will be made. So, IT strategic plan. IT strategic plan is a set of long-range goals that describe the IT infrastructure and identify the major IT initiatives needed to achieve the organization's goals. So here are the three objectives of IT strategic plan. First of all, it must be aligned with the organization's strategic plan. Second, it must provide for an IT architecture that seamlessly networks users, applications, and databases. Third, it must efficiently allocate IS development resources among competing projects. So System Development Life Cycle, or SDLC, is a traditional systems development method that organizations use for large-scale IT projects. So there are 6 stages of SDLC. First, systems investigation. Second, systems analysis. Third, systems design. Fourth, programming and testing. Fifth, implementation. And finally, operation and maintenance. The main task in the system investigation stage is the feasibility study. Feasibility study analyzes which the solutions best fits the particular business problem. System analysis is the examination of the business problem that the organization plans to solve an information system. The main purpose of the system analysis stage is to gather information about the existing system in order to determine the requirements for an enhanced system or a new system. System design describes how the system will resolve the business problem. The main task of programming is to translate the design specifications into computer code. Testing is the process that checks to see whether the computer code will produce the expected results. Implementation is the process of converting from the old system to the new system. When the new system has been implemented, systems will operate for a period of time. Once the new system's operations are stabilized, the company performs audits to assess the system's capabilities and to determine whether it is being utilized correctly. Systems also require several types of maintenance. The first is debugging the program, the second is updating the system, the third is adds new function. So thank you for listening. I'll see you next time.